Hello everyone, this is Dr. Mariam Narona, and this video has been prepared to explain the meaning of research. What is research? An important part of understanding what something really is knowing what it isn't. So, let's bust some myths about research. Let's explore what it is and what it isn't. So, what is research? Anything that can be learned by reading or writing is not research. This is a common misnomer that people have that research means I read something, I collect information, and I write it down, and that is research. Looking for information on sites by just typing a search in the search engine and looking at the first few websites that come out and just writing about it is not research. So, research is something which you have to do, but it is not something which you can learn by either reading or writing. So, if research is something that has to be done but it cannot be learned, then what is research? Research is problem solving, experimenting, questioning, discovering, inventing. All these are ways and outcomes of problem solving and therefore of research. It is said that research is looking for a black cat in a dark room. Well, yes, research is something like that. Research is your unique perspective or contribution to a problem that exists in the world at the macro or micro level. So, let's look at who does research. Who are the people actually who need to do research, or why do they do it? Now, many of us are familiar with Maslow's need hierarchy. Abraham Maslow came up with his need hierarchy, which states that we have certain levels of need: physiological, safety, social, ego or prestige needs, and finally the self-actualization need. I believe all researchers are self-actualized people. They want to improve the world. They want to be the ones to improve the world. They are true change makers, and so I believe something that is common in people who do research or who become researchers is this self-actualization. They want to change things and they want to be the change in this world. Now, by and large, we think that research is useful only to scholars, that is, people who are pursuing an MPhil or a PhD degree or a postdoctoral program. It is useful to them. Or they are students and it is a part of their coursework, so it is useful to them. It is useful to educators, academicians who are, in charge of creating knowledge, adding to the existing body of knowledge, making their unique contributions. It is useful to scientists because they work in the lab, and what science does really changes the world. And it is useful to companies who need to get information about how their products and services and processes are functioning. So we tend to think that research is useful only to these people, but we forget that research is useful to each and every one in this world, even if it is done by a selected few people. This is because all of us are a part of society, and the research which is done by a research scholar or an academician or a scientist or a company, it helps to improve this world in general, or it helps to highlight certain problems and brings up solutions, and therefore research, I would say, is useful to each and every person in this world. no matter who does it. I'd like to leave you with this thought. What are the problems that the world faces today, and how can research shape the course of the future? Please think about it, jot down your thoughts on this issue, and reflect. Think about how you can connect your topic of research, which you will do as a part of your coursework, to these problems. Think about what you can do in your own small way to change the world and to shape the course of the future. How will you do meaningful research? Having briefly understood what is research and demystified some myths about research, I think the next logical step would be to take up the meaning and definition of research, which I will be doing in my next video. Do check that out. If you like the content in this video, do hit like. If you explore the different educational content that I have on my channel and you find value in it, I request you to subscribe to the channel and comment on any of the videos you find useful. Thank you.